Hi, welcome to in this video tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to customize Shopify community notification. So this tutorial will be helpful if you are looking at solution, or if you are thinking to customize your notify community notification, then you can continue this tutorial. So first of all, you have to click on the your profile icon. Look at the top right side, then click on it, then select my settings and click on the my settings button. So from the my settings option, you can change everything from here. For example, if you want to change your username, you can just simply change from here, Shopify expert. Okay, then click on the change username. Also, if you want to change email, you can change it from here, and personal information you can change from here. Also, close your account. To click here, then you can close this account. Then we are going to the preference. So from the preference, we can customize a lot of things, almost everything from here under the preference. For example, preference option for time zone, language, ignore HTML, view signature in the post, automatically subscribe me to the topics or review I participate in. If you like to automatically subscribe, then click on the check mark icon, and if you not, then uncheck this one. Also show the confirmation page for post. If you want to this, then click here. If you don't want, then just uncheck this one, and going to click on the display. From the display, you can change others option, relevant display. Also, you can change or customize everything from here, like for example, from general section, linear layout, home page, privacy, and likes. So I am not going to describe everything and make this video tutorials more large. I just going to click on the avatars. So you can change your avatar from here. For example, if I want to use my own profile picture or own picture, then I can select avatar from here. For example, I am changing my avatar or profile picture. Okay, uploaded. Now click on the save. So my profile picture has been uploaded. I'm going to click on the save again. Okay, it's done. So I have updated my avatar also. So thank you for your time to continue these tutorials. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more videos relevant Shopify.